Hello everyone, welcome back to BG Tech channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to use your SOCKS5 to add friends on your Facebook unlimitedly. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your SOCKS5, your PIA SOCKS5, open it. Once you are on your SOCKS5, I will show you how to do it, how to set it, where the ISP to choose. So guys, if you want bomb Facebook now, this is how you set your proxy. Go to your proxy. Then once you click on proxy, if you don't know about proxy, how it works, how to create account, just DM me. You understand? So once you're on this app now, you just click on proxy list. You grab change it to ISP. Once you change it to ISP, make sure you search for berries on business. So once you search it like this, there will be a space at the front of the S. So just delete it, then make sure the space join together, then click on search. So with that, a you see the berries on business once you search it. So at this now I'll show and look for this. All of them is berries on business, but I normally use I normally recommend this New York. You understand? Can use anyone. Let me check if there is New York here. If there is New York, I'll connect to anyone. Think I can go back. Let me check it again. ISP, very zone, business. Like this. So okay, this is it. Okay, New York City. Then click on it. Then once you click on this connect, let's wait for it to connect. So let's wait to connect. So once it has connected like this, once it's connected, there will be a deduction of 1 IPS. You understand? If you check your history, you see there. Once you connect, you see it in the history section. So that's it has connected. Let me check. I mean, there may be a case that this thing is showing that it hasn't connected, but if you want to know if it has connected, my IPS is 14 before, that's go to 13. That means the dot. It's just a glitching app problem here. So to know, just go to your browser and go to your Chrome, in browser, Chrome, then search for this IP8. Once this IP8 this thing load, that means the thing is connected, and you will check your score index. So I want to check my score index. Okay, my score index is 85. Now I'm good to go. But if I want to make it more stronger, like the index to make it more stronger, I just need to change your time, because it will be only time that is not matching this IP. So I'll just change my time, because my time is in Nigeria, so I have to change my time to this IP that I connected to, which is United States, New York. So let me just go to my settings and change it to my time. So I'll go to date and time. You understand? Date and time. Then once I reach date and time, you understand, this is normal settings. So I'll change it to United States. Then United States. Then I'll search for New York time. Then bam, I already changed it to the IP, to the same IP time. So let me refresh and check the index, privacy index. Once you see that it will be in 100%. So let's check now. You can see now my privacy index is in 100%. So there will be a case that this DNS server in the same country is giving you, just, you know what you do. Maybe if this thing is giving, if you try refresh it here, try refreshing it here, refresh here, this place now, you try refreshing it. Sorry, this DNS place, stand this DNS, you try refreshing, or go back to disconnect and connect from your PIA SOCKS5 app. If you go back, you can see now, you see it now, it has showed that I'm not in the same country. So all you have to do is just refresh it again. You see it has come back to the normal state. So now like this, I'll go back to my Facebook app. Let's go to our Facebook app. So I'm going to this app here to check everything. Where is this app? So this my, okay, so this app now, this is the app. So let me check. So skip it. Then once you're on your browser, just click on here and see friends request. So let's add now. Let's add. Keep adding. You can see. Let's keep adding. The power of SOCKS5. So you can see you keep adding, you keep adding, you keep adding. Let's add. Some people say you can't add more than 10. You can see it now. I'm adding. So I'm adding. So I'm adding. So can see. Let's keep adding. Let's keep adding. So you can add like this. Then once it doesn't enter limit, you can see it now. I'm just checking people I can add. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like, subscribe to this my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss my update. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, click the link in the description and join our WhatsApp channel. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.